How to fix suspended Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix suspended Instagram account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Before you try to fix suspended account, you have to understand why Instagram suspends an account in the first place. They usually suspend a specific account if they notice some type of spammy behavior coming out from that account. Maybe you've been binge following too much, maybe you've been trying to mass unfollow people, or maybe you're just trying to post too many things at once. That is when Instagram is going to notice a bot-like behavior and then they're going to put a restriction on that account. Now normally this is actually really fixable. Whenever you open the Instagram app, you might just get that little pop-up that you might have. You can just follow the on-screen instructions over there and fix this Instagram suspended account in that way. But sometimes you might not get the pop-up and you're simply not being able to log into your account. In that case, there are a couple of things that you can do. The first thing I'm going to do is what you want to do is, if you have mobile data available other than Wi-Fi, just try to switch to your mobile data as well. The reason I'm telling you this is because when Instagram limits your account, they don't limit your account sometimes. They limit the IP address, which means if you log in using the same IP address on your account, you will not be able to log in. And changing your mobile data or maybe just using a VPN is actually going to help you solve or hide your IP address in that case. And when you change the IP address, Instagram might just give you access to your account. If that doesn't help, there are a couple of things that you can do. Just try to log in from your browser as well. After that, what you want to do is long press the Instagram app icon, tap the app info option. Once you tap the app info option, go to storage and cache, then just go to this option called user data and then just tap on clear cache. Also make sure to clear the storage. Once you've done that, this should most likely help you solve your problem. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.